In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Gemini AI on Gmail. If you're looking to take a step back from AI assistance in your Gmail account, you're in the right place. Follow along closely, and I'll guide you through the process. First things first, start by opening your Gmail inbox. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice a small gear icon, commonly referred to as the Settings cog. This is your gateway to customizing your Gmail experience. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked the Settings icon, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to look for and select the option that says See All Settings. This will open up a more detailed settings page where you can make more nuanced changes to your Gmail account. As the settings page loads, ensure you're on the General tab. This is the default tab where many general configuration options are located. It's important to be on this tab because it houses the options we need to adjust. Now scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Google Workspace Smart Features. This is where Gmail's AI-driven features are managed. These features are part of what makes Gmail intuitive and helps with things like composing and organizing your emails, but sometimes a more hands-on approach is preferred. In this section, look for a button that reads Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. Click this button to proceed to the next step, where we'll make the adjustment you're looking for. Now that you're in the correct menu, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Smart Features in Google Workspace. This toggle is what controls the AI functionalities integrated into your Gmail. To disable Gemini AI, simply turn this toggle off. You'll see it move from the on position to the off position. Finally, after making the changes, it's crucial to save them. To do this, scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll find a Save button there. Click on it, and Gmail will confirm that your changes have been successfully saved. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled Gemini AI on your Gmail account. By following these steps, you've taken control of your email experience, personalizing it to best suit your preferences. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you decide you want to re-enable these features in the future. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.